Here it is, my DIY under the kitchen sink pull-out trash and storage tray for only $60. Question is, why do you want to do it yourself when it's easier just to get a pre-made $200 Rev-A-Shelf from Home Depot? After all, time is money. Well, besides the cost, it's customization. For example, I want to use my own trash bin. I want to store other things on the tray, and I wanted to make it a bit wider so that it maximizes storage space, which allows the tray to go under the garbage disposal. So here are the parts needed, and if you already have the parts, that's great, you'll save even more money. $15 for the plywood shelf, $2 for the 1x2x8, $10 for various screws, $15 for the shelf brackets, and $9 for the rail. Sorry, I need to interrupt. Here's an update. After finishing this project, I decided to change out to this ball bearing rail for $19. That's only $10 more for a rail that's much quieter and smoother, especially with my offset handle. I should have used this in the first place because it's far superior. Now back to the program. Here's the area I have to work with. I'd like the tray to be the width of the door, which means it needs to go underneath the garbage disposal. I've already cut the 1x2x8 to the appropriate length and have attached the rail to the shelf. Now I'll do a dry fit of the wood and rail to the left side of the cabinet and then use it as a baseline for the right side. Since it's one cabinet, I'm going to assume that the cabinet is level so that we can do a test outside of the cabinet before installing it permanently. Since the test worked, we can now permanently mount the rails to the cabinet. Before permanently mounting the right side, we need to align it properly. Just slide it in and out until it works smoothly, and then you can screw it in. These are the shelving brackets that I used. I mount and screw both of them in. I used the leftover furring strip as edges for the tray. I've also marked the part where the tray will go under the garbage disposal. I'll use some foam padding later to block that area off. And one last tip. Before removing the doors from their hinges, mark the holes to where the screw holes are in the brackets, with the tray in place. You'll get a much better aligned door. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.